In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to make delicious egg roll. Egg roll is a Nigerian snack. If you are interested and you want to learn how to make it, stay tuned and let's get started. This is Cardos Cakes and Chops. You're welcome to my channel. I have some eggs here for this recipe, and the first thing I'll be doing is to go ahead and boil the eggs. Hard-boiled eggs is required for this recipe, so you want to let the eggs cook well. Cook the eggs for 10 minutes. While waiting for the eggs to cook, I'll be preparing the dough for this recipe. I have all the ingredients ready to prepare the dough. Here I have 500 grams of all-purpose flour. I will go ahead and sift the flour to avoid lumps or dirt. After sifting the flour, I'll be adding 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder into the all-purpose flour. And I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, 75 grams of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of powdered milk flavor, half teaspoon of nutmeg powder. I will go ahead, stir to combine well. Mix very well to combine properly. The flavor is optional. You can add any flavor of your choice. After 10 minutes, the eggs are cooked now, so I'll go ahead and transfer them into a bowl. Then I'll be adding some cold water into the bowl. In order to cool the eggs, I want to get them to room temperature before I will go ahead and peel the eggs. The next thing I'll be doing is to combine the ingredients to make the egg roll dough. Into the all-purpose flour, I'll be adding 85 grams of salted butter. With my hands, I'll be rubbing in the butter into the all-purpose flour. You rub very well to mix and combine well. If this is your first time on this channel and you find my tutorial useful, like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel for more tutorials, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. After rubbing in the butter, I'll go ahead and make a hole and transfer 1 medium-sized egg into the all-purpose flour. With my hands, I'll also rub that in. And I'll be using 1 and 1/8 cup of water to mix the dough. That is 1 cup, and you measure out 1/8 cup again to mix the dough. The water should be cold. Cold water or room temperature water is preferable for mixing your egg roll dough. Use your hands, go ahead to mix till it's properly combined. Mix till it combines like this. And it comes to this consistency. That's all. Don't over knead, don't over mix. Then I'll be covering this up and let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, our dough is ready. Here the eggs are cooled and ready to be used, but the first thing you'll be doing to the eggs is to use a paper towel to wipe and dry every water. All the water from the eggs. Make sure it is well dried before molding. The next thing we'll be doing is to mold the egg roll. For molding, I'll be using some all-purpose flour, which I'll be rolling the eggs in it. I'll be rolling the eggs inside the all-purpose flour before covering it up with the dough. Now, time to mold. You cut some dough and scale it. Put it on a scale. I'm going to get 60 grams of the dough. I'll be using 60 grams of the dough to mold our egg roll. So I put my hand in the all-purpose flour, get 1 egg and roll it. Make sure you coat the eggs properly with the all-purpose flour before inserting it into the flattened dough. The dough you are using to mold the roll, flatten it. Then put the egg in the middle, give it a gentle press, gently while bringing the doughs up. Press and roll the doughs, press and roll the doughs. Then at the end, you give it a pinch to close the dough. to seal it. I'll be dabbing my hands constantly in the all-purpose flour to avoid the dough sticking to my hand. Use your two hands to mold and roll the doughs into a smooth, round shape. The way I'm doing it, you can see how smooth this is. Like this. This is okay. Then I will set it aside. Pick another one. Weigh it on the scale to get 60 grams again. Then I'll pick it up, roll, then flatten it. Flatten it in your palm. Make sure it's flat enough. Get your egg. Roll the eggs and coat the egg in your all-purpose flour. Insert it in the flattened dough. Then start giving it a gentle press to bring the dough up. Gently, gradually. When it comes up, the final sealing, you give it a pinch. Pinch the dough together to seal properly. Then the next thing you'll be doing again is to roll with your two hands. Dab the all-purpose flour to avoid sticking. Roll with your two hands properly to form a smooth, round shape. This is the egg roll. Then we'll set it aside also. Continue with this process until you are done molding all the eggs. It is very good you weigh your doughs before molding so that you get close to equal sizes. You can use this recipe for homemade egg rolls or commercial made egg rolls. This is an easy and a simple method you can follow to achieve a very good and high quality egg rolls at home. You can as well use this dough recipe to make your Nigerian rocky buns. After molding the egg rolls, I'll be using the remaining dough left to fry the Nigerian rocky buns so that you see what I mean. Whether you are a new baker or a seasoned baker, this is a very good recipe. You can go ahead and give it a try. I would like to get a feedback from you. Just drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know how it turned out. After molding, shaping, and rolling the eggs, I'll be deep frying the egg rolls in vegetable oil. So I have my oil on the fire. I'll go ahead and transfer the egg rolls into the vegetable oil. I'll be frying them till they are golden brown. I'll be dropping the egg rolls gently and carefully into the vegetable oil. When dropping, be careful so that it will not lose its shape. And I'll be frying the egg rolls on a low to medium heat. Frying your egg rolls on a high heat will make them crack, and it will also make them uncooked. The outside will be cooked while the inside will remain raw. Stir at intervals gently to make sure they are evenly cooked. If you are a lover of eggs, you will like this recipe because this is a better and more interesting way to eat more eggs. In order to achieve the best results when making your egg rolls, don't use warm eggs. And make sure you dry your eggs properly before coating them with the dough. Fry your egg rolls till they look golden brown like this. They are ready now. I'll be scooping them out bit by bit. The egg rolls are nicely shaped, smooth, and beautiful. After scooping them out, I'll go ahead and use the remaining dough to fry rocky buns. I'll be deep frying them also on a medium to low heat till golden brown. Fried buns is also a very delicious snack. Give it a try and you will love it. Here is our egg roll looking all pretty. If you find this recipe helpful, give me a thumbs up, like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. The Rocky Buns is ready also and looking so nice. And let me have a taste. It tastes so delicious. You can see the texture is not the same with the egg roll. This is delicious too, but it is the same recipe, the same dough recipe. You achieve both buns and egg roll. Isn't that amazing? Thank you all for watching. I will see you in my next one.